Oh, hey up, hey up, hey up, hey up. Oh, heck. Another week and the sun's still shining. Look at that. Birds are singing. Unbelieve it. Unbelievable. We're not used to it in this country. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful and warm as well. Really warm. It's the afternoon. Ooh, really hot. But I don't know. And it's really busy time for all these birds. We've got some nests around the back of my house, and oh, they never stop. Every couple of minutes they're coming. Great big mouths full of caterpillars and insects, all sorts of things. They just backwards and forwards all day. They're at it from 4 o'clock. Birds are singing at 4 o'clock. And they're at it till dusk. I don't know. They must be worn out. They're very, they're more, I don't know. I don't know whether we could do such things, you know. Just to make their own little nest and make their house, and then go out looking for the food. Don't just drive away to the whole supermarket and fill your trolley up. Or else get on old Amazon and just click and oh, they have to get out. Yeah, and then they're all the time they're on the lookout for someone going to come swooping down and grab all of them and eat them. Oh, they have a rough life. We think they were the intelligent beings, but oh God, they're a damn sight cleverer than us, I think. Yeah, why would they do that? Instinct, innit? Instinct makes them go and breed and look after all the young ones. Anyway, it's a lovely day. A lovely day for all the birds. I bet the old birds what get stuff out of the soil like worms, blackbirds and things like that, I bet they're hoping for a bit of rain to make the soil a bit softer, make the worms come nearer the top. I've got a blackbird, he's found out what to do. Just comes and moiders me when I'm in the garden, comes bobbing round, and he knows now as I'll go and get him a handful of mealworms. And every time you get in the mealworms, he squashes all the mealworms before he takes them to his young and like kills them. He won't take them if they're moving. His little beak goes the thing, and he gets his beak that full. Whew. He's got about 10 or 12 mealworms in his beak at a time, and off he goes, going back for more. You've got to know as if he just comes round and makes a bit of a chirping noise, tell me I'll go and get him some mealworms. He's not bothering about digging in worms. Oh, is it just me who, when you come for a walk in the country, you come and listen to country sounds? A number of people I meet coming towards me, the other way, walking the other way, and they've got the old earphone things in. What they're listening to, I don't know, hardly music, but finest music is country music. Birds singing, wind going through the trees. But no, they have to some rubbishy music what they can have when they get at home and it's pouring down the rain. Something like that, but no, it must just be me. I must be, I don't know, different. I don't need the old boom 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 going on in my ears all the way around my walk. Anyway, that's it. Here look, water hens are waiting for the breakfast. Go on for your breakfast. Hey, come on. Right, where are they hungry? They're feeding them young uns, eh? Showing off, aren't you, with your fancy tail, eh? Come on. Hey, look, he's waiting up there. Old crow. He is. Come on. Come on. Come on, get your bagging. Come on. Oh, crowy. Anyway, that's it. Thank you. Bye.